everyone, how are you? This is Carlos with Stair Creations. I would love to take the time to present a project that we just completed here in the Potomac, Maryland area. We had the unique opportunity to work with a builder and a designer and the homeowners to come up with this great design of a staircase that we have here in front of us today. Some of the unique things about this is we had a tie-in that this was a large home renovation where they wanted it to look updated but still keep some of the traditional aspects of the home. So working with installing a curved staircase that was open underside to accommodate that open feel that the clients were looking for was one of the tasks that we accommodated to and completed in this project. In this particular project, we had the opportunity to work with the homeowner and the designer. Some of the key points that they wanted to make sure that we kept was they wanted a nice, modern, updated look, but they still wanted to keep some of the traditional aspects of it. Some of the materials that we used on this project were, at the designers and homeowners' request, was all white oak material. They wanted that nice flow from the bottom of the staircase all the way to the top, but where you could still look at the underside and for it to be completely freestanding. Some of the elements that the homeowner and designer wanted to make sure that we achieved in this project was some of the gold elements that are throughout the house, in the light fixtures, some of the chairs, and even in the newel post to the staircase. A staircase is one of the main focal points in a home when you first walk in. That was one of the challenges that we had with this project. We wanted to make sure that we kept it as clean looking and as flowy and freestanding as possible. One of the challenges that we had here was we didn't want to have any additional posts that were supporting the stair up, and that would help us accomplish that completely clean look. One of my favorite parts of this project was making sure that this main focal point tied in with the rest of this area when you first walk in. The nice flow of the stair that ties in with the nice flow of the wall and the rest of the trim in this main entrance. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next one.